having to see if he can actually go down. Let's watch this again very closely. Yeah. Oh, handball play. You realize that Black Spar look more hungry. Play. Amaku lays it back again. The shot flies. Oh, hits the post again. Just went onto the post there. The goalkeeper was totally beaten. What a goal that would have been. Totally Martin Senkoto Kalanda to actually celebrate tonight, Olimi Nyarwa. But unfortunately, clock remaining to play. It's a long drive of a ball, bubbling through. The chance goes Peggy. Yeah, goalkeeper coming out goofy. Good play from Opiro, but he was lucky. 3 minutes of this game come to an end. Kicking the ball here. Oloro! Ooh, delicious. The pause. Goalkeeper doesn't move. Oh, ho, 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 ho. To play in mind. Wingy and balloons on the keeper. Hudu Muluchi strikes and scores. Easy peasy on the run. Okay, strikes. Oh, that's a good one. Good goal. Takes his time and strikes. Delicious. Has a look at the goalkeeper. Manduka. Fred Amaku on that runner. Maku. Play. It's Sachi. Misses. Denied. It's Badang. Takes his time. Good rhythm. Good rhythm. Good goal. It's Buni. Strikes and scores. Sechibengo prays. Oscar. Ooh,